Welcome to Module 7, Total Physical Response and Communicative Language Teaching. This week, we will be tackling the language teaching methods Total Physical Response and Communicative Language Teaching. Total Physical Response is a language teaching method developed by James Asher in 1977. In many ways, you can see TPR as an expansion of the direct method. The primary difference is that it also emphasizes kinesthetic learning to engage students. Beyond just the visual and auditory, TPR brings in the psychomotor domain. So, for an example, if you're a teacher trying to teach your students what a car is, you will not only show a picture of the car and say the word, you will also physically demonstrate what a car is, and the students
Drive your car
will follow suit.
Okay, once more.
This results in a playful environment where students are able to attach the words they are being taught with physical motions, which will help them retain what they have learned. Communicative language teaching takes us back to Module 2 of the course, where we studied Noam Chomsky's distinction between competence and performance, as well as between the concepts of grammatical competence and communicative competence. As you could probably tell by the name of this method, this one is all about the communicative. While in truth there are many kinds of communicative language teaching methods, they share some tenets. Probably most critically is the belief that authentic language should be used as much as possible. What is authentic language? It's language that would be used in a real-world environment. You see, in the 1970s, educators were discovering that in-class competence and real-world performance were not the same. Students who would perform well in a classroom environment would often not be able to do so in the outside world. Communicative language teaching was the response to this phenomenon. Furthermore, this method is the basis for the remaining language teaching methods that we will study next week. So make sure you have a solid understanding of it before moving on. I say this every week, but remember that these overview videos only give you a taste of what the readings provide. Please read the textbook carefully and maybe do some additional research on your own to learn as much as possible as you can about these methods. Once you're done, it's time for the assignments. This week, you have another quiz, as well as another discussion board assignment. Please answer the following questions about the two methods. Number 1, what is the rationale behind the total physical response? And do you agree or disagree, and why? Number 2, the goal of communicative language teaching is developing learners' communicative competence. This method emphasizes fluency over accuracy. Please talk about what has struck you the most after reading the chapter. Finally, read your peers' post and respond to one that's resonated with you the most. Next week, we'll be finishing off our textbook with our final two language teaching methods, content-based instruction and task-based language teaching. As you are studying these different teaching methods and philosophies, you should be thinking about what methods you want to use and about your own teaching philosophies. See you guys next time.